welcome back to our vlog.
So we are now in City Park Batu Raja.
We are going to walking around here
And look situation and explain about City Park.
Stay tuned. Okay, so Batu Raja City Park is near English Academy.
And as you can see, there are so many kids looks playing around here, and they look so happy to play in here.
And as you can see, the weather is kind of hot here.
So as you can see, there are little playground is here. That's why the kids like to come here.
The playground such as slide and swing and also seesaw.
So in Umur Ramadan, there are places named Pasar Beduk. There are many people that sell food and drink for iftar. On the street, in front of Pasar Beduk, is jam because many people went to spend time with to prepare or we can say ngabuburit.
So that's all about explanation about City Park from us today. Thanks for watching and bye.